All right. Let me get this up on here, and then I should be good. I don't even have the episode anymore. That is just unfortunate. Walk up in a function, me my yeah. All right. So I can get this going. Can I load all of this? I don't remember what the keybind is. Control L or where is it? It's Shift L. Okay, or don't do that. Am I missing something? Because I could do L for one. But if I do... Oh wait, there it is. Failed because it wants to port a file. That should be my archive file. Pretty sure that was my archive file. Then, how do I... How do I shuffle it? I don't remember how to shuffle. Loop. Randomize. There we go. Alright, so today what we're gonna do is also put this in there. Oh my gosh, that cab was good, gang. These days, these speeds we can on me. Skip. I just want to see chat. Can I like hide this? Yeah, whatever. That shouldn't be playing noise. Yeah. How you doing, gang? It's finally time for me to redo my config. So let's start with Neovim. And then let's just go straight to... Ooh, actually, there is one thing I wanted to do first. Oh, what's that? I don't know how to see it. Thank you, Steve-O, for the follow. How's it going, gang? Yes, there is one thing I wanted to do, and that was... Because I'm just building from source on my Mint setup, I don't need to have multiple setups anymore. So I could just make the Neovim one a sub module. So that also means, oops, wrong browser. Wednesday midday stream, you know what it is. I'm on a vacation until I start work. So I just got time to sit around and rot. How's it going, this Angel? Logs, blah, blah, blah. Don't really care. GitHub.com/. How do I skip this? Oh, there we go. So we have GitHub.com/me. And then I want to make... I don't remember what it's called. That is a bit of an issue. Oh, here it is. So this needs to be a submodule. Oops, if I didn't hit the wrong thing. JL. So we should be able to just clone this in here. And then I think I need to add it as a submodule, yeah? God dang. Sub module add. Yeah. Wait, no, it's not config. Why did it fail? Oh, I see. Wait, no, I don't see. Clone of into submodule path failed. Why? It's not a valid repository name. Am I missing something? Git. Okay, so I put in branch blah 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 force name, reference repo. Okay, so is it git sub module add? Oops, messed that up. Just add .config slash Neovim. .config. Oh, I see. Is it this that's causing it? Or do I actually have to get rid of it? Yeah. I think. God dang, I never use sub modules. Say remove. Module and config, and then let's try that again. There we go. Now it should be a submodule, and that should be all good. Okay, then we can go through it. Git commit. All right. It's mine, so I could push as many times to mate as I want. Okay, so let's see what plugins I have and what I actually want after that all happens. Yeah. Okay, what color scheme is this? Oh, it's probably left over from my generated. I don't think I really want this. It's nice, but Markdown preview. No, I have another plugin for that, I think. Right? Try hit with my brother, bitch, I'm jumping in. Do I use Neovim at work? I do. So at work, I obviously have to use a Windows machine. But most of my time is spent in WSL. So I get to do whatever I want in there. And surprisingly enough, I'm not the only one that uses Neovim either. What was I looking for? Mark view, yes. So I do have another one. I don't know why I had both of them enabled. Vim cool. Oh yeah, that I want. But I might as well just put it in another file. This is gonna have nothing in it. I don't think I require this. So what I can do is just come over here, create a new file. Wait, what was this? This is Vim cool. Do you just use Windows Terminal or something else? Yeah, I use Windows Terminal. So in my experience, it's actually been pretty nice. Like, it just has pretty much everything I need. The only issues I've had with that so far has been, for my setup, I use like a font that I literally just ran the nerd font script over, and it works fine for my Linux machines, but for that Windows machine, it doesn't work fine. So I think I need to just, when I run the script again, just add all of the manually add all the arguments or whatever I may need to make it work for Windows. But other than that, it should be fine. Oh, actually no, there is a second problem. Panes for some reason. So let's say I have like 3 panes like this, right? In the terminal, right? I can't just move it. Like, I have to delete one and then create one and then hope that it goes to the right place. It's kind of weird. And there's a PR for it and everything, but I think stuff like that just doesn't move as fast as like the projects I'm used to, I guess. What was I doing? Vim cool, yes. So let's do Vim cool. Lua. And then I could probably just do like, oops, I don't think I need that. And I didn't copy it. Alright. Now, if I open it, it shouldn't scream at me, right? It did scream at me. Oh, plugins.lua. It still exists. I could probably just delete it, right? Remove plugins.lua. Colors wall. Oh, that shouldn't exist. Where did I put that? Bubblegum. Oh, you know what? It's because actually, so what I'm planning on doing with the color scheme is actually going through and recreating the one I was using on VS Code, but I need to actually go through and do that. What was that again? Oh, that was my light theme. I'm gonna keep that because I actually like that. Let's just open a random one. Yep. So we're good on that. I don't need this anymore. Okay, so we have that. What else do we need? Let's see what else isn't useful right now. So I used the buffer line, color scheme obviously, dead column. I think this is the one that actually works. Actually, I could just test it. Because I think I had to do a workaround for a transparent terminal, but I don't know if I left it or not. I did. Okay, cool. So that works. LSP, this is going to be redone. Oh, there's multiple? Yes, there is. Why do I have multiple in here? This seems just to be the Mason setup. And then LSP 0 is maybe, yeah. Just have Mason in it. It calls it twice. What the heck was I cooking up here? Let's use the built-in, so I won't need any of these. And then let's clean this up. Chord I use, dead column, we already went over that. IBL, yes. Mark view is, yes, what I use. I'll have to configure that to use it. I've been working all day. Status line, I'll have to do that too. Well, that's nice because those codes already exist. Telescope, yes. Must have for sure. To do, that's nice. I did keep that set up here, right? Yep. Tree sitter, under tree. And cool. And now we're good. Alright, so let's go through the config first before I start doing the LSP again. Oh, that's just, yep. Actually, I could just do that. Before I go, at me. Why do I have to manually do this again? Let's just get rid of this and let me actually remember to use escape. This is Explorer. How you been though, Ist Angel? How's your, you don't get a summer anymore, but how's your summer season, man? Or spring, really. That looks ugly. It looks so much better because I use a darker background. I like that. I do need to fix this though. This doesn't work for cases at the moment. And it hurts your soul. What's the current keyboard setup? I got you. So I got these I got a Lily 58 right now. That's what it looks like. I don't have a tented setup for this, but it's fine because this setup is like primarily my gaming setup. This is the second boot of the setup, but got a Lily 58 right now. I'm running Duroc sunflowers. I was running kangaroos in this, but I like the sunflowers better. Yeah, I was running kangaroos in this, but I like the sunflowers better. I still have kangaroos because I have a souffle coming. And that's gonna be my work keyboard. Yeah, and I'm gonna use the kangaroos for that. Okay, rabbit Kate. Make search term stay in the middle. Banger. Copy the system keyboard. Banger. So I can more video. She thinks she love me. I don't even know. Jumping out the gym with my beaters on. I should. That's a little stupid way of doing it. This can go away. I don't know why I kept this. That's sick. I fuck with it. Appreciate you. What are you running at the moment? What does Enu do again? Oh, what is the difference between Enu and Benu? Edit new unnamed buffer. This fails when. Okay, now what is Benu? Oh, I see. I see. Let's do this. But alright. And then verse tab in. I don't need this. That was a crutch because you can just literally shift it. That's so much better. Done. Oh yes. Oh my gosh, that's what I was running. How you liking it? I have my iris over there. I have like a second. That one over there is like my productivity setup, but my iris is over there and it's got Duroc shrimps in it right now. Yo, what's good, Casper? How you been, gang? It has been forever, bro. Put numbers on the side. Update time. I don't know if I need this. I don't. I'll keep that. Time to wait for keybind to complete. I feel like that's default, though. Oh, no, it's also... Okay, that makes sense. Cursor line, this is needed. Needed for dead column. Oh, there was another thing. I need to go to DM, so I'm gonna turn this off for a sec. Actually, I'm gonna turn this off because you can see it. Hold up. I saw. Yes. Okay. Just bring that over here. We can turn this back on. All right. So there was in here something that I liked, where it shows like the white spaces or whatever. I've been good, chilling most of the time, but it's just been high school and I'm scared shitless about my final scores. Why are you scared about your final score? You probably did fire, bro. You'll be fine. But I also have a Lily with box whites. Feeling something loud. Dude, I am so jealous. I love the box switches so much. But the problem is I live with people, so I can't do it because a lot of times I'm up, at least when I'm like home and not working like over the weekends or whatever, I'm like up way later than other people. And I love, my favorites are the pinks. I actually haven't tried the whites yet. I heard the whites were good. My coworker liked the whites too. But my pinks are the favorite at the moment, and oh, I wish I could put them back on a board right now. Also just turned 20. Dude, happy birthday! Are you gonna do anything fun for your birthday? So options? There was something. There it is. List cars. List characters. Whatever. Alright, so... Okay, so yes, that is what I want. So, I'm literally just gonna yoink this. Because a lot of times, I end up needing to see this option should be with the color line. Where does the color line go? Oh, wait. Where was the color line? Wasn't set? No, sets. There's a remap? Dude, am I blind? Oh, it's color column. It's color column. Color column, I can type. You know what? Let's just... Am I insane? Oh yeah, it is color line. Okay. Yeah, I'm not insane. What the fuck are you being for? Hasi power? What the being for? Oh, that's the wrong language. Now we're probably gonna chill, drink beer too. So whiskey overall. That's tight. Get a nice little chill break for your birthday. That's honestly my my favorite way of spending my birthdays. So what the fuck are you losing sleep for? Oh, okay, I see what it's do. Characters for white spaces. I literally don't need that. It's pretty obvious. Alright, next. Smart tab. Auto indent. Tab stop. Yes, 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 yes. Just a type of short. I see Mysterio. In the game, bitch. Adios. Back up. Yes. Actually, this, you know, let's be smart here. This should go in temp. So is there already a Neovim temp? / temp. Let's just say this is going to be Neovim temp / under directory. Current search. Yeah, that's fine. Scroll off. Number width, yes. Case sensitive. Yep. I'm gonna get rid of this one though. it was cool at first, but it's kind of nice to be able to see whatever it is, especially for new commands. Okay, awesome. Thank you, Byte. Oh yeah, let me see if it actually works. I don't see the characters though. Oops. Maybe it's because it's for LSP? So let's go to a project. First of all, this needs to be pulled for sure. If I could type. Sir, what branch am I on? We don't have that branch anymore. Whatever. There we go. Alright. So now let's go to source. Interesting, I don't see it. Okay, that's something I need to fix. Oh. I just realized you're programming in Lua. That's crazy. I can barely comprehend C++. dude, no. Let me tell you, I have such a small understanding of Lua. This is just for configuring Neovim. So a lot of times you don't have to actually know Lua. You can just copy and paste from the documentation, and that's what I do every time. Why is this? How do I list the? I don't remember how to list what the setting is currently set up. I read up on Lua a bit this week, and I just left more confused. Really? Like, there's no data structures built in other than tables. Low key, that is surprising. I thought that, like, there was more, but everybody just likes tables, so everybody used tables. But that makes so much sense why literally everyone uses tables for everything, because that's all you have. That's so funny. Imagine taking a class in Lua and it's just table 101. Global or local? When oh, am I misunderstanding what this is supposed to do? Okay. So it's there. Character to show at the end of each line. When omitted, there's no extra character. Oh! Nope, that didn't work. Objects are just copies of tables. Interesting. That seems like really annoying, low-key. So for tab, 2 or 3 characters are used to show a tab. Third character is optional. Right, so interesting. Did I, you know, so one thing I'm curious about is in one way. Just out of curiosity, what switches are you using to Mac clicky? So right now I'm using Duroc Sunflowers for this keyboard. I'm gonna leave that as a later problem because I kind of want to figure this out and move on. Okay, So for this, I will need documentation. LSP documentation. Neovim? Please show up. Yes. All right. Every day my mama said. Oh wait, did I delete what had Mason? Yes, I did. Okay, I need Mason. Yes. Restore Lua plugins. lsp.lua. I need Mason because I'm not installing these by default. Oops. I don't know why I did all that. Could just telescope it. Auto completion. Let's take this out for now. Oops. I have cherry clears in my custom, but I'm thinking about replacing cherry clears. That is the first time I've ever heard of those before. Deny. Or not. Don't work. Blah, 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 blah. Can I just get the specs? Thank you. Okay, so they are tactile. Click. Interesting. They do seem kind of light though. But to be fair, I like heavier switches. Implementation. I really need to start getting used to these keybinds. Okay, so we'll do this as my LSP config because this is more of a config than Mason. All right, so now that I have Mason, let's test it with what is it, X? All right, so let's do Clang D. That is the. And then, what is it, Clang format? I guess not. Oops, I went too far back. Control F for filter. Wait, how am I supposed to use this? Oh, I see. I want 22. CPP lent, that's what it was. Alright, so those are my two. Now, what did we do? Installed by your package pinner using blah 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 blah. To enable configurations. Alright, defaults. When the Neovim LSP starts, enables diagnostics. Where is it expecting this stuff though? Config, you configure LSP behavior. Oh wait, that's not what I did. Oh wait, no, I saw configuration defined for configuration, bridging all tables returned by LSP. Okay, so I assume this would go in LSP. I don't know what I'm supposed to name it, but Force reload. Okay. Semantic highlights. Do I need to do anything special for semantic highlights though? I got them because at the time I was building, watching Glars's, and he said they were unnecessarily heavy, so I bought them. Really? Didn't it say they were only like 45 grams or something? Maybe I misread it, but... Oh, I'll need this later, because I'm going to do the color scheme. So I'll need this, but global defaults, sure, whatever. Okay, so to my understanding, this config file goes in LSV, and then I enable it somewhere. All right, so it would probably need to be here, right? So let's configure clangd.lua. lsv.config. Actually, you know what? Let's be smart. And what we can do, because I need the Lua one anyway. Dog greasers. Lua. Oh, there it is. Why is it Lua LS? Oh, is that the shorthand for it? Me anymore. Install servers following upstream. Oh, okay. I see. Okay, sets the name, sets the configuration. Can be accessed by indexing to resolve the config. Root markers for all clients. Oh. Okay, that's actually cool. Okay, so what I can do is I can do a general. So I can say, all right, so for every client, I want one of the root markers, or I want the root markers to be a Git repository. 5 o'clock on the dot. All right, so now we can go to us. Me. So it's the name and then the configuration. So I think I can name it whatever I want, right? Oh my god, alright, one more time yet. We'll see. Alright. So let's copy this so I have a template. Oops. So this is the commands and arguments to start the server. All right. File types to attach to. Sets the root directory to the parent file. Oh, I see. So these will be my markers. Okay. And then for where I was just at, oops, markers for all clients. So considering I did that, I don't even need this anymore. Nested list equal indicate priority. Okay, I see. So now we'll specify settings, send server, Okay. The server, the scanner for this. Find by the server, for example, can be found. All right, so that'll be whatever settings I need to specify there. So now we can quit out. Now, what do I need to do? I need to enable it. So to my understanding, I need to do this early. So I'll probably need to do it before. This, and then we can check health. Oops. Invalid table. Oops. No! One time. At index 1 in table. Freaking cat. Okay, so maybe one thing that I consider is maybe I need to return these. What commands, blah, 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 blah. Are you going to tell me a place? No. So my understanding is maybe this needs to be returned. I don't think so, though. No. That wasn't it. 401. I'll speed up. 401. Oh. That's not my let's be over. Well, else at 2 expected to close. 2. File exists. Yes, it does exist. Oh, what else is set right now? All right. Okay, I do not think I'm doing this right. I did. Oh, I'm in LC. Surprise, surprise. You don't understand, said you can't stand me. Maybe I don't need it. Because if... Oh, maybe I'm being stupid. But that does mean I still do something wrong. Oh, you know what it is? I don't think I ever... So for... Oh no, that should be fine. How's Linux streaming? I remember first 2 years, but as soon as that's real. No, it's been great. Yeah, I haven't really had any complications that weren't caused directly by me by doing stupid stuff that I wasn't supposed to do in the first place. But yeah, all my machines at this point are Linux machines. I don't have a Windows machine. anymore, or I never had a Mac OS. I'm not rich. But yeah, it's been fantastic. I've been gaming on it and too, so everything that I need to do is able to be done on Linux, except at work, I guess. Which even so, I haven't had anything that can't be done in Linux yet. I will, but are you and me? Your eggs are enormous. Capabilities. Oh, interesting. Define and runtime path slash LSB slash KMD. Okay, so I am putting it in the right place. Oops. LSV. Right. So you have LSV KMD. Okay, so it is this. I'd probably switch as well if it weren't for kernel level anti-cheats for CS2 and League. CS2 works. It's just League. Yeah, I played CS2 on Linux. But League, yes. It didn't used to, but they put whatever their kernel level anti-cheat is in that game too for some reason. These are X. Okay, I'm definitely missing something then. Because the config... The merge result is... the client configuration. Wait. You configure LSP statically via and dynamically through. Configuration defined by the merge semantics. Okay, so I'm gonna follow this. So like, in init.lua. Oh wait, I'm stupid. That's not where init.lua is. Yeah, like, in my opinion, Linux is at the point where like, almost, I'd honestly say everything works. It's just whether or not the dev one specifically chose Windows as to be their only system anti-cheat wise, or they use a kernel of anti-cheat. I haven't had anything else where it just doesn't work besides that. So like the examples of the first one would be like your Destinies, there's another game that did that too. Anyway, I take Fortnite too because their anti-cheat works. They just need to enable it, but it's the same thing. Where Apex too. Apex did it recently too. But it's just like games like those where they're like, oh, we don't want to support Linux for one reason or another, whether or not that reason be valid. And then your kernel of anti-cheats. Don't play League anymore because for some reason my internet I disconnect for like. Oh, that's awful. Like 5 seconds is enough for you to die, like especially in a team fight. Where are you now? Actually, you know what? Let's try this with their example to make sure I understand everything. So I think this can go in Gen, no? You know what? Well, let's follow. Oh, excuse me. So this is going to be my LSP config section. Oops. Right. So now we have this. So, oops, that's not what I meant to do. I just clang d.lua, right? And then we're gonna return. Oh, I don't know why I started typing that like I can't. Boop. Right. Oh wait. There's more than that. And then it said I can give priority. I never do. Actually, you know, let's just leave it like that. It doesn't really matter. Then back in the init.lua, right, we have this portion. Oh, did I miss the last code? Please say I didn't. Oh, I didn't. Okay. Ooh. No, I didn't. Alright, so let's make sure that the other one's gone. Because I think it's going to load all of them anyway. Oh, wait. Oh. It was check health. Okay, cool. But, enable configurations, file watching workspace, change disabled on clients. Dude, there are enough atoms, observable universe, to count how many times I was playing Nautilus. I wanted to throw my key just for the internet to cut off the hook, go the opposite. Oh, that's crazy. Dude, I'd be so teed. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Beyond those provided by Neovim, you can set. Oh wait, let me check that it actually worked. I'm just gonna do this. Let's do git stats source. Just type something that doesn't exist. No, it's not working right now. Oh wait, actually. Right, I could just do, what is it, LSP? Oh, you can't do that anymore. How do I see what LSP is attached? Lua vim.lsp. It's not. Oh. Oh. Okay, let's do vim.lsp.getClients. Interesting. Because I know this usually throws an error because it doesn't know that it's there until, because it's linked through a precompiled binary. Yeah, it was awful, especially when playing Clash Tournament. What is a Clash Tournament? I stopped playing League like a while ago, so I don't actually know what that is. Okay, what am I? I'm missing something. This is basically a wrapper around Start, which allows you to share merge configs. Let's see somebody else's config. Yo, like, let's just do this. Is this the new start client? I don't think we need this anymore though. Yeah. They added support for OSP. This enables, you know, native support without requiring any plugins. But not LSP.enable. Am I missing that part? Class is basically a Riot-made ladder tournament where you make your team. Okay, is it like you get far enough, you go to actual like, you go to actual qualifiers for something for like a big tournament, or is it just like for fun or whatever? Just do this. Okay, what does the documentation say I should be doing? Oh wait, it's this. Oh, I think I just missed that part. Maybe. Yes. Let's just make another terminal. There it is. Repository. Okay. Now, another thing with this is that for CMake projects, I need to make it work too. Right? So I need to see what I had for this, because what I needed it to read is I should have a .clangd file in here. Yeah. Right, so I needed to read that compilation database. So let's go to clangd documentation. Oh no, nothing that big. Oh wait, with like a whole loose record and everything. You just get like capsules, RP, and skins. Oh, okay, okay. Interesting. That sounds cool. Now, is it one of those things where like you're grouped against people of the same skill level, or quote unquote skill level, or do you just get shit on by people who are like challenger? Pretty boy sweat. Pretty boy sweat. Affects how a source file is parsed. Emulates how Clang. Blah 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 blah. Get in my car. Oh wait. Disable all diagnostics. I mean, from what I remember, you could get like a team with 4 bronze and 1 platinum or something, but... Oh, I see, I see. Okay, that makes sense. I think I want to see how I had it before. SP0. Right, so no, that's auto completion. So the capabilities, default capabilities. Okay. function server name. Now, how does... Yeah, that's fine. Alright. I want to see how capabilities work in this. Alright, let's see if that was... Oh wait, what did that say? Messages? Oops. Defining .NET signs with is deprecated. I can't see the whole thing. I don't remember how to do this either. I cannot see the entire messages. Overall, it's pretty balanced though. That's surprising. Me and my friends always joke that the only time I'll have good internet is if I can move out or just cancel the current deal and call company. Yeah. That's how it is here too. Like there are some very terrible companies, but part of it is just like a lot of users only have one option. So they can just do whatever they want. I don't think it's a capability. I don't know how I had my LSP set up before, but... Which is a problem. I probably should know this. But part of it is just the defaults from... that. But it should be... Like, ClangD should be seeing... It should already be looking for .clangd, right? Your plugins, project setup. By default, ClangD will assume your code is built as blah blah blah. Right. If your project builds CMate, yes, I could generate that way. I know. I already did that, but ooh. Wait, that's why didn't I do that before? Oh my gosh. Wait, that person is cooking. I don't remember where it is though. .clangd. Oh wait, no, I do have to do the whole thing, don't I? No, yeah, I'll do it here. So it's nice. Oops. And then it's compile commands. Oh, I didn't build it on the system yet. So let's do oh wait, actually, shoot. This shouldn't work. Oh, awesome, it does work. I didn't, oh my gosh. I haven't built it at all on this. So, I need to build, oops. Ah, dude. I didn't. You know what? It doesn't even matter. So let's do this. Alright, so it's... I was really hoping it would show up. It did not. No, you good? What did I say? Oh yeah. I was saying like, yeah, it's pretty much the same here too in certain areas. Mainly because like, some places only have one option for internet, so they could be like as terrible as they want to be, because they just don't have an option. But if you do have the opportunity to just move to a better one, that would be great. Or like one thing I say is like, if you're paying for like say you're paying for like 500 megs up, right, and 500 megs down, and you're not getting that, bro, just nag the living mess out of the out of the people until they fix it. All right, I don't even remember what I was looking for. Oh yes. Let's reclone it. Right. So we're gonna git clone recurse submodules. Yes. All right. Awesome. So now I can come over here and I can pre-copy this. Okay. Well. Now git stats. That should build. All right. Game time, baby. All right, so now I should be able to build it. Right, so oh, that was quick. Dude, I don't even remember what I was building it for. Oh, yes I do. So now I should be able to link. I don't need this anymore. Yeah. So now I should be able to symlink. Oh! What did that do? Oh. Did it actually create a symlink? Alright, so let's symlink. Let's try that again. Can I just do this? I'm pretty sure I can. So we're gonna, it's build underscore it's whatever, compile commands. Why didn't it create? X, ooh, 86. Actually, let's be smart here. Let's just say fd compile commands. Oh, it's actually not there. Okay. Why isn't it there? I think I know why. If I can type, oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay, so one thing is... Oh, shoot. Let's see if I... What's your chances? I heard you got that bag in there, you vanish. It's so bad. Oh no, I need Jake. Oh, it is right here. Oops. Whoopsies. Man, it felt like I saw me. R.I.P. that Kobe, I know. Purple on the shirt, it's not no codeine, I know. Gave you a piece that bite, nigga, that protein, I know. Um. Oh, did I put it in multiple different ones? No, I didn't. It's right here. So that should go in my... No, whatever. So let's do... Let's echo this. Ravioli can't after one commercial. Literally, I'm smoking cat piece. May not kill you later. Got a candle hope. Alright, so now, if I build it again, it should create it. So, if I go back and I FD compile commands, whatever. Didn't. Oh, duh. Need to restart it. That's cool, cause Shotty understand. Why did I have Ada out in here? I definitely do that, but my dad just doesn't want to drill one tiny hole for a 5-year optic cable. So guess I'm... Oh, that sucks, dude. Dude, fiber optic would be such a nice upgrade. That and also I still have... They're going through it. Yeah, I feel you on that. Dude, that fucking sucks. Think your friends are definitely right. You're not getting better internet until you move out. What am I missing here? I mean, I might just add the command, but oh, did that not work? Wait, staying in mix. Right, so echo this works. So let's go to dev. Interesting. Or maybe it's because build isn't. Oh, I didn't think that through. There it is. I forgot it's not in the working tree or whatever, so it's not going to show up in FT. Now, if I do source. Oh wait, no. Oh, it did work. Awesome. Okay, so now that that's working, we can do the rest. Oh, so the this is gonna sound so stupid, but the documentation was correct. It was me. I forgot to enable the actual SP. Okay, for the low income. 1.7 meg down and 0.1 up. Dude, oh my gosh. And not only that, it's multiple people on the network too. Dude, that is torture. Downloading con. Yeah, that's one of those things where you literally like start on a Monday so that you know you have a bunch of workers to whatever to do. I wonder, do you have like siblings or whatever that game too? Because what I could see being really helpful for you is like, you know that feature Steam has where like, or if you have this possibility, but you know that feature Steam has where like you can download from another person's local computer. Just use that every single time you need to download something. All right, so let's do Lua now. And then for this one, I don't even need to do anything. Oh wait, I did return for this yet. So I'll have to add this, and then I think catharsis. So it should be command root markers. File search. And then where do I put the settings? Patch in my beard. Now, one thing I'm curious about. Okay, wait, I'm gonna explore this first. Is what if we do all of this in here? Oh wait, actually, that would make sense to. Oop. This stays over here, right? Oh shoot, I think I deleted something. Yeah, this. Is it? Oh. Right, so this now comes over here. The configuration for Clang D. That seems weird though. I don't know if that'll work. Oh wait. Now I'm the worst Charlie for better for worse. Fair enough. Alright, man. Yeah. That did not work. So the configs stay in here. That doesn't feel right though. So I'm assuming you're editing table element here. Oh, that just ended early. Interesting. All right, so for this, well, okay, let's try this. Video faces feel like mines. Oops. Yeah, so that's fine. So configs can go in here. So does that mean I can literally just take, where's a init? Oh, it's because it's one back. Right, so I just take this, right, and then these come in here. In your eyes it feel like veins. Alright, now let's try it. Nah. Wait, what was the checkout thing? Yeah. It looks the same. Oh, wait. No. Right, so I did I did remember enable it this time, right? Yeah. Oh, I didn't. Dude, come on. I'm throwing you go. Clanky. Oh, that's not what I meant. Now, it's still the same, but check health might show something. Yeah. Okay. Right, so. What, baby? Let me see. Oh wait, that's not what I wanted. Maybe it does have to go, but I don't. The problem is I don't want it to go in there. Oh, those are good root markers, actually. I didn't even think about that. Okay, so. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. So, I don't need the config part. Oops. Oh, if I keep doing that. So, yeah, you can get rid of this. I'll have to look at the commands later. But to remind myself, I'll put this in here. I didn't even know it can run off of compile flags text too, but I guess it makes sense. All right. Oh wait, I literally put that already. All right. So now we have our types. I don't need this, right? So now that's the configuration for that. This'll, I'll have to work on that later. All right, so now in init, it should just be able to enable it. Now let's check the health. Oh, that's, you know what that probably is? It's probably... Oh wait, let me check the health again. Interesting. That is something different, but I don't know why. Oh. What does Lua have in it? Oh, that would probably do it. No, it is something in... No, that should be the same. I don't think I'm missing anything. It definitely wouldn't be that, because it said that was allowed. Okay, it was that. Lovely. Okay, so given that I have that now, stats source. There it is. Let me go on my array. Okay, so that's a lot simpler. I don't know why they had it the other way. What am I missing from... Where was it that I got the... Here it is. So they did this. Oh, I see. Okay, I see now. I see now. That makes more sense. Right, so you do this configuration, and then that'll give it for everything. Here we go. Hi. Now, let's do Lua. Did anyone know she's saying? Yeah. Right, so we just omit the configuration portion, and then we could do this part. I don't really care about that. Let's do... Actually, let's check the health again. Oh, you know what? Caught myself that time. I need to enable it. Interesting. I go by Ilo, but my new name is Sebastian. I need social backflips. Group markers. Is it that this isn't allowed anymore? Okay. Yeah. So for some reason, did I misread it? So no, they did do it here. Nested indicates equal priority. Okay. So you cannot do that anymore. I don't know why, but that does not exist anymore. And on top of that, I don't need to specify get anymore because that's in the everything one. Traffic, all this traffic. All right. So with those two, let's move on to doing the auto completion. Ooh, actually, let's see if I remapped everything correctly already. Lua. It's a cold Sunday to complain. I hold it in until it rains. Pretty princess, hold the fan up. Jeans make your ass look fat up. You got no money for the backup. Maybe now I'm back up. The real reason that she act up. Head on my spirit. Maybe not believe I fear it. I don't think I need this anymore, right? I could just delete to this. Wait. Delete, find. Oh, I hit the wrong button. Finger fucking noggin. Money's first, I'm always died in. Is that a problem? If I could work for Bogcom. Left to the Simon's wrong. Fuck if you don't like me, I'ma still get fed more than likely. It's enticing. I die for my respect. Interesting. Do I need the character turn? Oh, why am I blanking on this? Keybind for function. Welcome back, welcome back. Shit. I'm not gonna lie, I don't feel like reading all this. Oh, maybe I still... I feel like I don't need this. And that OSP remap, OSP keybinds. Is that breakcore right here? I'm saying, bro. I don't have much of it on my playlist, but it's fire. Two-time world champ. Banging on the rolling, that shit lit up like a gold lamp. Up at AM, if you know it, I'm a real vamp. Does it still work like that though? Oops. Oh, wait, no, it's just GR. Interesting. Huh, it never worked. No, let's go to references. Where's rename? I'm just looking at it. No, it is leader GR. Huh. Oh, that would be nice, actually. We'll see about that. Right. So signature help, clean diagnostics. That's gonna need to change for sure. Heart attack. Artifact. Calculate 100x. About 50. Ooh, it seems like a lot. Okay. Now. Okay. Oh, wait. Am I that stupid? Where's the, oops. Hover. Oh wait, does hover, is a signature help? Display signature information about signature. Oh, I think that's what hover is now. I think. Right, so. Alright, so hover, let's replace with. Bim.lsp.buff. I don't know. Let's just try both of them. Oh wait, I don't think I need that. Thank you. What does that say? NoCad? Thank you, NoCad, for the follow. How are you doing? I should probably really get a a like dashboard up. Alright. What did I just map it to? Oh, I see. Alright, so that's literally if you need help with that. That's cool. Don't think I need that right now. Actually, I could just do... Right? And then... Let's get rid of that for now. Okay, so go to definition. We'll wait to this. I assume that these are probably going to be the same. So vim.lsp.buff. Wait, what's the declaration? Definition. Yo, I remember the first few coding till graduation and saw the recap recently. Great stuff. Appreciate you, man. I miss those days, but at the same time, feels good to be done. It's not like I stopped doing work at all, but how have you been though? All right, declaration is probably also the same. Actually, instead of doing that, I could just do I wonder how I can go before I say offer my soul. I should probably start saving. Big good. Got a year till I graduate too. Heck yeah. You got an internship for this summer? Is it easy though? Don't even know. Easy though. Yeah, I think all these are just the same, but that's different stuff. Trying to be on the timing you're on. I say definitely make sure you're spending time for yourself, but I do recommend it. What's going on now? So I graduated, it was like early May or something. And then not early May, but I don't know, maybe midway, but I just got back from a trip to New York, and now I'm chilling, trying to get some like personal projects and stuff done before I start work on the 16th of June. But yeah, pretty much just been chilling, trying to take a break before I really hit the ground running at work. I almost deleted the wrong thing. Is it easy though? Don't even easy though. Format async. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Code action. I should probably make it all the same though. As much as I like having it on as much as I like having it on CA, just because it makes sense for my brain, should probably take it off. All right, now let's try that again. Oh wait, oops. Oh, am I not? Oh, I forgot to go into Neovim. Neovim. init. Okay, so let's try all these things. First of all, let's close this. Thank you, help pages. All right, so GH will get me the signature help. Oops. Wait. Am I in the wrong mode? Interesting. That's not right. Oops. Yeah, that's definitely not working. Okay. Oh. Why did the first one work though? I guess I should have been testing at the same time. Internships were a no-go this summer. Plan B is to finish Security Plus. Start senior project. Oh. Yeah, you're gonna be very much ahead then. Do you get okay? So for our like senior project or capstone or whatever, we didn't get the actual project and team members until the semester of that year thing. Do you actually know what your team is and what project you're on right now? Also, a lot of questions at the same time, but what is Security Plus? I don't think I've ever heard of that one. Oh, I gotta. Can I do it from my phone? Awesome. Okay, I gotta be missing something. Remap. Okay, it is. Is that not what it did? Vim.lsp.buff. Signature help. Okay, I gotta be missing something, or yeah, because I can go to definition through right click. Oh, is it not loaded here then? Oh wait, it's vim.lsp. No, it does work. That's interesting. Okay, so can I still right click on it? No. Interesting. It kind of went away. Bro said, "You're correct, my mistake," and then did not answer the question. Oh, anyway. Maybe okay. I'm thinking maybe I do need the function headers. Let's just do that. Reload lsp.lua. Oh wait, no, not that. Yeah, it's still the same. For my school, we decide our projects and are guided by select faculty advisor. Optional. Oh. Do you know what project you're gonna pick so far, or no? And are you gonna do groups? I'm actually curious about that because for us, we get like a big list of projects, right? And then from that, we have to choose like our top 3 or 5 or whatever it may be. And then they give us a project, right? But yeah, I'm curious. And we get a group. Obviously, we're always in a group. But I'm curious if you're going to pick a group or not. Because I'm trying to think. I don't know if I would have or not. Security plus is CompTIA. Oh, I see. Okay. It's like A plus, but specifically for security stuff. Also, I like the music. Thank you. It's blowing me, bro. What do you mean it's blowing you? Are you saying it a good or bad connotation? Alright. I'm probably going to head off for a while, edit some videos and whatnot. Good luck, appreciate you, man. Enjoy the rest of your birthday. Okay. Look at... Because literally in the documentation, unless I'm missing something, right? You have buffers. Okay, wait. Maybe if I might be doing the same thing. List key maps, because it might have been mapped already. Oh wait, that was the wrong thing. And that bitch saw so much shit, but she gonna say no. I want his front brown and top to say about it like or not. Can I search? Nope. Alright, so I'm looking for G's. And now I'm back my pivot. Oh wait, what did it say it was page down? Okay, so alright. EATL, she said the mix. Okay, mine are gone. So if I did, so let's just say I did document symbol. Or not. Huh, that doesn't work for that either. It is working, right? Check health, health fee. Bin.lc. If you want to raise me up to the top, bitch. I wonder if my... I've heard bad stories about group work, so probably not going to... Yep. That's exactly probably what I would have been put off from it. I'm glad I was in a group, because I got a good group, but... Looking into making blockchain apps a service for student orgs and departments to make things a little more transparent. How would, out of curiosity, how would blockchain make things a little more transparent for your student orgs / departments? Yeah, it's basically moving up from the A+, focusing on network. Gotcha. Like, blowing my mind. Isn't this Surf? I feel like Firefly. No, this is actually an open source project that I found through another streamer. What's it called? It's called Twitch 2e. It's just a 2e application written in Rust. Yeah. Actually, let me... Oh man, I can send it. Not it only sending GitHub. Okay, bro. Did I yank it wrong? Okay, there we go. I copied the wrong thing. There we go. It's a cool little program. The only thing that I've seen that you cannot do out of it is like, I can't like ban or timeout or do any of those operations from there. But everything else I need is in here, so it's very cool. Yeah, so this works now with my remaps. Because I might have just messed up the LHC configuration for this. So, no, it's still the same. Right, so, but if I go to, actually, let's go back up here. Okay, so what's not happening, my remaps aren't doing anything. So, instead, what we can do is, I think if I do it in set, oh, it's not in this folder. So if I did it here, right? Then I reload this. Oops, what did I mess up? Oh, whoops. Ops. Oh, I see. Oh, that's why it was like that. Ooh, I didn't think about that. I don't need this right now. Transparency, as in the public ledger aspect, mutable transactions, so origin. I see. As soon as I get these plugins working, I feel that. Dude, I haven't like configured anything in a brick and a half, and I just don't remember how to do stuff anymore. So I totally feel you on that. Okay, what is the message that's giving me? I messed up something bad in here then. Where is this? Yeah, it was that. It's because of the ops portion did not exist. That's interesting. I don't know how to. Because the thing is, nmap, none of the key maps are here. Toggle comments. Ooh, that's fire. I forgot about GC. I didn't know GX existed either. But part of that is like, this is on LSP attached, right? I don't think the LSP is attaching here. So let's go. Oops. Heavyweight champ. Wait, what was that? Oh. Sign define. Oh, okay. That's a later thing. I don't. The diagnostic signs function could change later. Right. So if we go to nmap, right, is my stuff here? Yeah, it's still not. Or is this just defaults? No, because leader D and leader Y are here. That's something I did. Normal map. Mappings. Listing a key map will also display where it was last defined. Examples, map, blah, blah, blah. Okay, how about we just try this map? Oh wait, let's say nmap, gh to vim.lsp.buff signature help, right? So that took wait. It's not. Yeah, I don't know. I'm definitely missing something. So where you enable features that only work if there is language files. Is there special unattached keybinds here too? Yeah. No remap space. Default config from is also calling setup, which effectively. Oh. Huh. Okay, maybe I do still have to do the Lua version of it? Wait, let's do, like, go to definition. So that's just gonna be easier to. Right, so we do call it as a function. Appreciate it, man. Have a good rest of your day. I think it was GD. Yeah, it's not. Let's try a leader. No identifier under cursor. That's literally not it. Oh wait. Yeah, no. Oh, you know what? Maybe it is because it's not buffer specific. Okay, you know what? Let's just... Yeah, let's do this. And then sets over here. Alright, so for ops, if we see a comma, ops, we're going to replace it with nothing. Everything's fine. Alright. Crap. Oh wait, this doesn't even go in here. First of all, it goes in remap. Second of all, let it be. Alright, let's try the no remap portion. Because that could be it. Right, it could just be remapping my thing because it's the defaults. I don't know what silent means though. We'll figure out if this works. Where was this? 53? Would that work? Nope. Alright, so let's do this. Keep that like that for now. There it is. Awesome. Okay. I don't think. Oh, it does work. Okay, so I don't even need this. Like on the gram, make a bitch think she poppin'. Okay, so I don't even need all this stuff. Right? So I assume this would work for like a struct. Yep. Okay, awesome. That's awesome. Okay. So now that we're done with this, we need to figure out what's wrong with this. This shouldn't need the leader though. Help. And let's buff.format. Why don't we just leave it like this? Oh, if I spelled it right. All right. So now that's a go. Now we can go and do the completions. I could have sworn it was in here. Oh, there it is. Diagnostics, we already got that. What is code lens? I don't know what that means. Show modules enable insert mode completion driven by LSP server, call enable. Celebration with the guys. Wait, why don't I just continue using this? It's okay, girl. I don't think this is where I was at. That's whatever. Okay, I'm going back. Oh wait, that's not what I wanted. I wanted the auto completion from. Yeah, I think there was a built-in one. Right. Complete words on assertion. I want it part of the LSP though. So quick start config. Enable auto completion and auto formatting. Probably the same capabilities. Yeah, I just want this. Oh my gosh. I'm cooked. It's over. Can't type. Right, so on LSP attach. Create a key map for completion. I don't need this, I don't think. If supports method completion, string auto completion area may be slow. I don't want that. Interesting. I'll have to see where those came from. Oh! Wait a minute. Those are my recordings. Is that? Oh. Huh. Alright. I think I queued these when it wasn't done yet. So let's delete everything out of here. Load everything. That's cool. Right, and then randomize play. Oh, I think I broke the server. There we go. All right, so on attach, we do that, whatever. Let's try it. In line 17. Oh, I never ended it. Did I not copy it? I know this love is kinda crazy, but baby, it's much more than lust. This should be there, no? And then we should close that and close this. The streets I wander just to be true. Dreams I share with you. We end this. Do I need another end? You make me feel. There we are. Alright, so now if I boot up source, oops, source, and then I do, what was I doing? Let's just type something. It's printf. Text, okay, it's not. Actually, I didn't even type that right. to be sure. Yeah. All right. Oh, I'm missing a whole... No, I'm not. Vim.api, create auto command. Do this, local client. Supports invitation, it's whatever. Auto completion, use control Y. Use. Oh, I think I need to client on it. Wait, was it even a linter? Oh, it wasn't. I didn't set up CPP lint. Oh, split a day. Oh wait, I was in the right place. Let's go to LSP, and then we are doing CPP lens. All right, so we're gonna return. Actually, I probably should have just copied. Oops. Right. Delete, find that. Root markers. I don't know actually. CPP lint. I'm sure it has its own file. So extension argument, blah blah blah. CB Plink could also pre-commit. No, that's not what I want. Actually, I need to learn how pre-commits work because this seems useful. Check it before you commit, I assume. Anyway. What I wanted to check was it's probably going off of Clang format. Right, see all that. And then we'll do .lsp enable CPP lens. Excuse me. We'll see. Alright. I gotta do it. Oh, I just got home. Alright, y'all. I'll catch y'all later. I'll probably stream a lot more. We'll see. I'm not gonna promise anything this time.